1981 Lincoln Cent, coin collectors and history lovers. Today, we are diving into the 1981 Lincoln Cent, a coin that may seem common at first glance, but has some interesting varieties and high-grade examples that can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Stick around as we explore its design, history, rarity, and auction prices, and make sure to check your pocket change because you never know what treasures you might find. History of the 1981 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent series has been in circulation since 1909, replacing the Indian head cent. The 1981 Lincoln Cent belongs to the Lincoln Memorial reverse design, which was used from 1959 to 2008. This coin was struck during the final years of the copper-based cents, as the U.S. Mint transitioned to the zinc-based composition in 1982 due to rising copper prices. The U.S. Mint struck 1981 Lincoln Cents at 3 locations: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, 7,491,750,000 minted. Denver Mint, D mint mark, 5,373,235,677 minted. San Francisco Mint, S mint mark, proof coins only, 4,063,083 minted. With billions of these coins produced, most are only worth face value, but certain high-grade specimens and rare varieties can be quite valuable. Design of the 1981 Lincoln Cent. The 1981 Lincoln Cent features the classic design by Victor David Brenner, obverse, and Frank Gasparo, reverse. Obverse, front side, a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln. "In God We Trust," inscribed above his head. Liberty, to the left. The year, 1981. To the right. Mint mark, D for Denver, S for San Francisco, or no mint mark for Philadelphia. Below the year. Reverse, back side, a detailed image of the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo. United States of America, inscribed along the top. E pluribus unum, just above the Lincoln Memorial. 1 cent. At the bottom. This design remained in use until 2008, after which it was replaced by the Lincoln Bicentennial and Shield reverse designs. Rarity and valuable varieties of the 1981 Lincoln Cent. Even though billions of 1981 Lincoln Cents were minted, certain varieties and conditions can make them extremely valuable. Here are the ones to look for. 1. 1981 S-Type 2 proof, clear S, mint mark. The San Francisco Mint produced 2 varieties of proof coins. Type 1, blurry, or filled S, mint mark. Type 2, clear S, mint mark, rarer and more valuable. Type 2 is much scarcer and commands high prices among collectors. Value, PR69 deep cameo $200, $500 auction highlight. A PR70 deep cameo Type 2 sold for over $3,000. 2. 1981 D Lincoln Cent. High-grade specimen circulated coins are common, but MS67 and higher examples are rare. Value, MS66 $10, $25 value, MS67 plus $250, $500 plus auction highlight. A 1981 D Lincoln Cent in MS67 plus red sold for $750. 3. 1981 no mint mark Philadelphia Cent in high grade. Since Philadelphia minted coins have no mint mark, high grade examples can be valuable. Value, MS66 $5, $15 value, MS67 plus red $200, $500 auction highlight. A 1981 no mint mark Lincoln Cent in MS68 red sold for over $500. 4. 1981 Lincoln Cent with double die error. Some 1981 Lincoln Cents exhibit doubling on the date, liberty, or other details. Value depends on the severity of doubling and condition. Minor doubling, $25, $100. Major doubling, $500, $2,000 auction highlight. A strong double die obverse, DDO, Lincoln cent sold for over $1,500. How much is a 1981 Lincoln cent worth? Circulated condition, worn coins, face value. $0.01 slightly better condition, 5 cents. $0.10 uncirculated condition, mint state, MS grades, MS60 to MS64, $1. $5 MS65, attractive with minimal marks $10, $25 MS66. Lustrous, nearly flawless $50, $150 MS67 plus, extremely scarce $200, $2, 500 plus proof coins, San Francisco Mint, S. Mintmark, 1981 S Type 1, Common, Blurry S. PR69 Deep Cameo, $20, $50 1981 S Type 2, Rare, Clear S. PR69 Deep Cameo, $200, $500 PR70 Deep Cameo, Perfect Condition $3,000 plus. How to sell a 1981 Lincoln cent. If you have a 1981 Lincoln cent and want to sell it, follow these steps. Check its condition. Coins in MS67 or higher are much more valuable. Look for rare varieties. A Type 2 proof, double die, or high-grade specimen could be worth big money. Get it graded. If you think your coin is valuable, consider professional grading by PCGS, NGC, or Annex. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and great collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You can also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts. The 1981 Lincoln cent may seem like an ordinary penny, but certain high-grade examples, rare varieties, and proof coins can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you have one, be sure to check its condition, look for rare varieties, and consider getting it graded. You might be holding on to a hidden treasure. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1981 Lincoln cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights.